This is Louise from Gypsy Rose Divination. Welcome to my new flower healing and channeling video today. Today I'm going to be working with this beautiful orange rose. There's so many different colours of roses and they all mean different things, but I'm very attracted to this one today. So, if you didn't realise, you can actually talk to what we call the nature spirits. They are like fairies, angels, the elementals, any spirit guide out in nature. We can communicate with them psychically and spiritually. Often I like to write, inspired writing, or it's just telepathic information. So all I need you to do, I'm going to be sending some remote healing, not me sending it, it's coming from the nature spirits, my flower guide. And all I need you to do is to relax, and you can either sit up or lie down, just close your eyes, and my guides will let me talk sometimes. They will channel information, spiritual information through me. Other times I'll go quiet and I'll be sending, the guides will be sending healing, not me. So I'm going to set up the intention now. I'm just going to take a drink of water to send the healing of this lovely orange rose to anybody that watches this video at any point in the future. They can receive the healing. Okay, so let's do this now, shall we? Just relax, close your eyes. So I wish to send the intention for anybody to receive this healing of this beautiful orange rose at any point in the future that they see this video, and to receive the information with love and gratitude. The intention is now set, and I'm seeing, in my mind's eye, I'm seeing lovely fairies with green and lilac fairies, very much like the flower fairies. I don't know if anybody has actually seen a fairy. Some people see sparkles of light. Let me know in the comments if you've seen a fairy, because they're the one. Lots of people have had feathers from angels. That's quite a common occurrence, but fairies not so much. When you go out in the woods, have you had any experiences with fairies and the fae? Let me know. So there's obviously fairies around this orange rose. Orange is the colour of the sacral chakra, if you don't know. It's about drive and passion, creativity. It's a jolly colour. Very good if you have suffered from depression. Orange will cheer you up. Also, eating oranges, orange food, wearing the colour orange can help us feel happier and more optimistic. Now this orange rose is in excellent condition. You can almost imagine a fairy sitting in the middle of it. It's beautiful, it's circular, and it unfurls gradually. The petals are in quite good condition as well. It's quite straight up. So an orange rose like this would be good for somebody who does need cheering up, somebody that needs to get their spark back in life, very sensual, somebody who wants to feel alive, people that are down, depressed, bit off colour, the colour of good health. So you can find an orange rose out in nature, in your garden, or from a shop, florist shop. Even the supermarkets will have them now, and or you, if it's off season, you could use a picture, a photo, an oracle card, and just ask the nature spirit or the rose. Just ask the rose to help you. You can write down what you've been sensing. How can I feel more optimistic? How can I feel happier? How can I get my creative spark back? This rose, all roses are very popular, whatever colour, but this rose could come through on a medium link. If any of you are into communicating with your ancestors or like to receive messages from ancestors, this would be a popular rose to work with to bring through your um, loved ones in spirit. Just going to send some healing now. To feel a sense of optimism, upliftment, and creative energy. I'm seeing an image of a skydiver, somebody jumping out of an aeroplane or a paraglider, and they're going, woohoo! So the deva or the flower spirit would like to say that what I'm picking up, this is like the flower of, I'm here, look. It's not about danger, it's about feeling free, just going like that. Where I'm reaching out to the sun and saying, I've got the power, I've got the energy. It's not like the colour red, which is very, very like very confident. This is more a creative energy and a sense of optimism, joy, joy, and taking some risks, creative risks, doing things for the fun of it. My hands are tingling, so this is a tingling with excitement feel. So if you've been feeling down, this can get your, I want to say, your creative juices back up. So if you're artistic or musical, you like to draw, paint, literature, getting sense of literature. If you write, this rose, this colour rose can help you. I'm hearing find your divine power. Definitely a sense of fun with this, with the fairy. We've got the green and the pink fairy around. Purple fairy, sorry, not pink, pinky purple fairy. Darting about. Of course, fairies are known to be have a sense of fun and a bit cheeky. This is could be a cheeky energy, I suppose. Um, Laughter, lots of laughter and joyfulness with this. Joyful times with jumping out of the aeroplane, but fun, joyful times with friends and family, day trips out. Also, hearing, sensing from the day the flower about the same mentioning prose, poetry. This flower is would be good for people that are interested in poetry, writing poetry. So there's something to think about. And a connection with Archangel Gabriel. That's interesting. Just feels an excited type of feeling with it. Um, we're taking creative risks. So it's not like the colour red where we just quite can be quite foolhardy. This is just doing things because you enjoy them. Whereas we're not seeking to offend anyone or anything. We are just doing things for pure enjoyment, spiritual things for enjoyment. I'm just going to send one final bit of healing. So if you are in need of upliftment, positivity, you would like to write down your feelings, then let's just send this healing. A certain amount of tension around the legs with some of us. We just need to just relax and go with the flow. Right, I'm going to draw back from the flower now, and I'd like you to do the same. And we're going to thank the flower with working with us today. Um, so let's disconnect from the flower now. Thank you. Namaste.